Welcome back on this Wednesday morning. We have some slushy road conditions out there with some icy spots. Travel is going to be the most concern this morning as we do have some hazardous road conditions out there from the wet snow and the freezing rain that's been moving through during the overnight hours. So travel is set to a moderate to high risk on our impact meter for today. As far as ice accumulations, less than 1/4 of an inch of ice likely, mainly a thin glaze of ice, but some isolated spots could end up with around 1/10 of an inch of ice. That's possible, which is why winter weather advisories have been in effect overnight until 9 a.m. for the west end of the UP as we've had that mixture roll through, creating some icy spots. Here's what's happening. We have this area of low pressure over into Canada that will move in later on tonight, but ahead of it we still have that wintry mixture and mess. Now once it starts to move in, we'll start to see this precipitation taper off, but that's going to be happening later on this evening. Here's a look at the satellite and radar loop. A closer look to the interior west, portions of Gogebic, Ontonagon, as well as Iron counties. Currently seeing some of this mixture right now that could encompass some wet snow, some freezing rain, and some sleet. Also, especially right along US 2, extending through portions of Watersmeet. Here's a look over US 41 at M26 in Keweenaw County. You can see the roadway and that intersection is covered in some wet snow. And as far as US 41 at Imperial Heights Road over in Berga County, some similar conditions there with some slush along that main road stretch this morning. So that's kind of what you could encounter on your commute this morning and throughout the course of the day. Here's the hour by hour. We continue with that mixture through the morning hours. This is mid-morning, 9:30 in the morning. Wet snow across the north and east this afternoon with rain across the southern counties of the UP as temperatures increase to the upper 30s. As we head towards this evening and tonight, that swath moves out, but then we still have some mixture on and off throughout Thursday and Friday. A little light rain tomorrow morning in the east end with a little mixture and some wet snow over towards the west end of the UP tomorrow afternoon with still a little lingering lake effect snow showers along our west and northwest wind belts for this upcoming Friday. Snowfall amounts, an easy 1 to 3 inches of wet slushy snow, especially in the Keweenaw, the higher elevations of Marquette County and the portions of Berga County in the east end of the UP. Areas south where it's mainly rain and warmer, not going to pick up on some snow accumulations. Our high temperatures for today, we do have ranges of upper 30s for most areas with a few lower 40s right along Lake Michigan. And we have some similar temperature ranges for tomorrow, keeping us below the normal, which is 41 for this time of year. As we look towards this upcoming weekend, Veterans Day, some scattered mix could still be around with temperatures still being below normal. A little rain snow mixture early in the morning, and then it kind of tapers off for the afternoon. Some light rain on Sunday as it warms up into the 40s, and then the trend is drier for next week, and it's also going to be a little bit warmer as temperatures increase to around 50.